Well, David, when the pressure was on, when you needed a result, my word, you delivered. How was that?
Yeah, very enjoyable. I think the gaffer was mentioning before, like we thought that our matchup would be quite suited to them, and obviously on a bit of a better playing surface than we played away and stuff like that. We knew that we could really hurt them if we were good today, and I think the front four especially really enjoyed it out there. There was a lot of space and interchange and stuff like that. So yeah, I was obviously delighted to kind of play a part in that, and the defence was great as well. So yeah, it was a really good performance from the lot of us.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's quite fitting that all the attackers that Bellamy started, that you all got a goal. It kind of sums up exactly what he wants this Welsh team to look like.
Yeah, 100%. I think when you look at, obviously, the two wide men are absolutely lightning fast, and me and H love kind of dropping in those pockets and creating a little bit more, even though H got the hat-trick today. He's obviously deadly when he gets in front of goal, but I think it kind of just clicked today, and that's kind of what we want to achieve, especially going into the March camps now. I think it was a really good performance to look back on, and puts us in a good position. Hopefully we get a good draw on Thursday, and we'll see all the fans in March.
Talk me through your goal, David.
Yeah, I was a little bit disappointed on the first one, to be fair. I snatched it a bit. I think it just come a little bit too early and got a little bit eager, but like I say, I think Bren was lightning fast down that, and when he cut it back, it kind of just opened up and just made good contact, and like I say, just put it on target, and you never know what can happen, and luckily this one went in.
And finally, David, just quickly, what does this do for you in terms of confidence going into the playoffs in March?
Yeah, obviously we're very, very happy. Now it hopefully gives us a better draw, like I say, a home tie and stuff like that, but it's obviously a long way till March, and I think the main focus is hopefully everyone's fit and healthy going into the March camp. We have a full selection, and like I say, I think there's a lot of good clips that we can look back on and build on.
I think your smile says it all. David, thank you.
Bren's behind the camera as well. He's waiting to come on, man.
I'll let you go.